let's talk about the best varnish for raw wood finishes. This is our last segment in our raw wood series. My team of artists have tried lots of different varnishes over raw wood, and modern Masters Dead Flat Varnish is the one we go back to over and over again. Make sure to give it a good stir before you get started. So I'm going to mist my brush before I always like using a damp brush to start with. It just makes the product move a lot smoother. And I always have it on hand as well, just in case I need a little bit more water. I did notice some streaking. This is because the raw wood is just super dry. For my next drawer, I'm going to do it a little differently. I'm going to pull it out really far, and then I'm going to mist the entire drawer. This will make it way more even across the entire surface and eliminate that streaking. So how do you fix it? Remember, with varnish, the less you mess, the better it'll turn out. Just let it dry, come back, fine sand it, and then do another coat. For these curved cabinet doors, I'm going to go around the perimeter, and then I'm going to lightly brush down, and then I'm going to lightly brush up, and then I'm going to leave it. Because the wood is so dry, I'm going to make sure that I mist the entire surface before putting on product. You really want your brush to just glide across the surface. If your brush starts to drag or feel tacky, I suggest misting your brush really well and moving to another area, letting that other tacky area dry before coming back to fix it. I forgot to tell you about the brush I was using. This is my new favorite brush. It's the Klingon short angled brush. It's a little thinner than the Klingon shorty, which makes it perfect for top coats. And of course, you can find this on my website at ignitefurnishings.co.com. Again, we're going to mist the entire surface. And I like to come in with a significantly loaded brush right in the middle. Work my way to the left with short strokes and work my way to the right, and then I go across the entire section, really long strokes back and forth, and then you leave it. These big buffets, you have to work quickly and make sure that you have enough product to go across the entire section. Oh no, did you see what I just did? I dripped. Then when it was still tacky, I went back over it. So now there's this big blotch on my beautiful buffet. After it dried completely, I did go back and light sand all over, and it did end up being 3 coats of varnish on the top, just to make sure it was super smooth and flawless. So why Modern Masters? We love dead flat varnish. It doesn't change the color of the wood, there's no sheen or cloudiness, and you get a strong finish for years of enjoyment. So that does it. Our raw wood series is complete. So what else would you like to learn? I'd love to hear from you. Leave your ideas in the comments below. Together we can elevate our furniture and each other. Thanks for watching.